you for Jesus Christ because He always in us until now. And first of all, I want to thank you for this opportunity to bring our commencement speech that we can gather here to holding our graduation ceremony in Utah. And I will be grateful and thankful, thank you for our parents and family in Indonesia who always support us to pray and might be through video call, even though we spare in far away. Terima kasih kepada orang tua kami serta keluarga kami yang berada di Indonesia saat ini. Terima kasih untuk support dan dukungannya sehingga saat ini kami merayakan wisuda kami pada hari ini. We share our happiness today for you. We also feel grateful for Chengxiu University, our president, dean, our lecturer, especially our class advisor, Prof. Hong and Prof. Chan, and also our teacher assistant classmate Wang Lause and Emily Cheche, and our beloved mom, Crystal Lause Cheche, and all of staff that I can mention one by one. And also thank you for the industry representative. Thank you for hosting us so well to implement our internship program. 感谢这个行业让我们有机会进行实习。And also thank you for our Ministry of Research and Technology of Republic Indonesia and our State Polytechnic in Indonesia for helping us to go to Taiwan before. And my big thanks and love for all my classmates that we had spent almost 3 years together. Hope that after this we can find our own path of success according to the best version of each of us. Since the first time we had arrived at Taiwan, so many things that changed my point of view. The people that we had met here is very welcome and kind for us, even though at the first time our Chinese is not very well. And one of my big memory of this place was the great advantages of national health insurance, which the case take in July 2021. When I had accident and it took almost 4 months for completely healed, and it really reduced my expenses. Overall, I'm very grateful to be one of Chengxiu University students. It's just not about how much we get from this country or this university, but how much that we can share from what we had gained from here. I take one quote from Mahatma Gandhi: live as if you were to die tomorrow, and learn as if you were to live forever. Because if there is a will, things will happen. Thank you. 谢谢。